Do you want to make a change in your life? Do you want to achieve something better in your life? Well, if you want, then I'm recording this video is for you especially. I mean, this video is being recorded for you guys. Hello, my future fluent speaker. How are you all? I hope that you all are fit and fine. Today, I'm also fit as well. This is Sonu speaking before you. As you know that I am a public speaker as well as English content creator. So my duty is to practice my spoken English in public place. So today I'm gonna share with you a very important topic, which is why is time so much important in our life and how would we use it properly. So let me elaborate each and everything in detail, then you can understand clearly. So don't skip this video. Please keep watching this video until the end. Are you ready? Let's jump right in. So if you wanna achieve something in your life, if you wanna achieve something better in your future, if you wanna make a change in your life, so you have to do one thing. What? Okay, let me tell you. You have to be serious with your time. You have to be careful with your time. You must respect your time. You have to start by identifying things that waste your time. However, in our society, many people complain about not having enough time. But the truth is, we all have the same 24 hours each day. If I talk about successful people, so successful people also have only 24 hours. I mean, they don't have more time than others. They have also only 24 hours each day. But the truth is here. I mean, the difference is here. How we use it. Successful people, they just manage it better. They just try to focus on their job. They just try to improve on themselves. On the other hand, if I talk about loser people or lazy people, then I have to say here, they don't focus on their job. They are not serious about their life. They are not serious about their future. I mean, they don't do anything. So they have to do something better for their future life, but they don't do anything like successful people. That is the huge difference between the successful people and lazy people. So you have to remember one thing: time is not only time. Really, time is life. When you waste it, you have to think. You have to think in your mind. You are cleaning a piece of yourself. Really, maybe you are wasting your time right now as well. I mean, you don't even realize when to start your journey or what first step should be. I mean, still now, you are waiting for the perfect moment. I mean, you are waiting for the perfect time to start your journey. You are waiting for the perfect moment to start your journey. But remember one thing: perfect moment never comes. Really, still now, maybe you are thinking from tomorrow I will start my journey. Remember, my dear friends, tomorrow never comes. Really, the only you have is today. So you have to start now. There is no tomorrow. There is no tomorrow. Many people they say life is really easy, but in my opinion, I mean, this is someone speaking, and it's my opinion. Life is really hard. Life is not easy, but you have to make it easy. Really, you have to make it easy. Life is not really easy. You have to choose the path to write and take action. That is the difference between the successful people, or you can say easy life or hard life. Let me give you an analogy, then you will be able to understand easily. So please don't take it serious, just take it easy, because I made this history in the morning time, and really it is one kind of funny example. you know. I mean, once upon a time, I had a friend named Zaid Khan Digbazi from Bangladesh, and he liked a beautiful girl, a stunning girl. I mean, he loved a girl deeply, silently, with all his heart. But the point is here, he was waiting for the perfect moment. He was waiting for the perfect time to confess his feelings, to tell her. But time doesn't for anyone, really. Time doesn't for anyone, and he never got the chance to tell her anything. At the same time, another friend of mine, his name was Hero Alam, he also from Bangladesh. But, and here's the twist you can say, because Hero Alam had two friends. Sorry, Hero Alam had two girlfriends, and he proposed to girl. But shockingly, she accepted him. Moral of the story is that you have to think here. I mean, Digbazi, I mean, Zaid Khan, he waited for the perfect moment. He waited for the perfect time to confess his feelings, to tell her anything about his love. But here alone, he didn't wait for the perfect moment. So, my brothers and dear sisters as well, don't wait for the perfect time. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Okay? And don't say, from tomorrow, I will start my journey. This is the high time to start your journey. You have to start now. Yes, obviously, you have to start now. There is no tomorrow. You know, the second that is gone never comes back. Really, never comes back. Okay, there is a phrase in Arabic, but I'm not good at Arabic. Okay, so please take it easy. Don't take it otherwise. Okay, I mean, al-waqtu asmanu min az-zahab. It has deeply meaning. I mean, time is more precious than gold. Time is more precious than gold. Think about it. If you lose something, if you lose gold, if you lose money, so you didn't lose anything. But if you lose time, so I mean, you lose everything. I mean, if you lose gold, so you can bring it easily the next time. If you lose money, so you can bring it easily, you can earn it easily. But if you lose your time, so you can never back it, you can never earn it in the next time. So that is the difference between the time and money and gold, you can say. On the other hand, I have example, you can say, that is also Arabic saying, I mean, al-waqtu kas-sayf. Like that, illam taqta yaktaruka, but I don't know exactly properly. It could be hadith, it could be Arabic line, but I don't know exactly. But I'm saying its meaning, okay? It has a really deeply meaning. Time is like a sword. If you don't cut it, it will cut you. Think about that, or think about it. If you don't control your time, so time will control you in the next time. If you don't use it properly, so it will use you in the next time. If you don't use it wisely, so your life will be destroyed. Your life will destroy in the next time. So that is the difference between the time. So how to use time properly or in a proper every single day. That is the difference. So my dear friends, don't think so much about here and there. Don't wait for the perfect time. This is the high time to start your journey. So don't delay, my dear friends, and don't give up yourself. Just try to yourself anything. Try to improve yourself and try to make a change your life. Inshallah, you will change your life. Eventually, you will improve. Okay. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share, and drop your comments in this comment box, as well as follow me on Facebook. Your support means everything. Your support keeps going. So thanks for listening patiently. Thanks for clicking this video. Have a great day.